Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. I'm Paul, and today we got a few things to get into. I finally picked up a bucket-mounted round bale hay spear. It's not really the one that I ordered. The one I ordered actually never made it here. Something got mixed up, got damaged or something at FedEx terminal. So they sent it back to the shipper. They refunded the money and all that good stuff. So I went to Tractor Supply Company, which is close to me around here, and got this one. This one mounts through the bucket. You have to drill a hole through your bucket, which I'm not real thrilled about, but it's an older bucket. It's not going to make too much of a difference. So I can actually modify this one. If that doesn't hold, I can weld the rings on there and put the chains on. Not a problem. So this thing here slides on the bucket this way, and this hole right here is where you drill down through the bucket and just bolt it on there. And there's two little feet that are welded on. It's just angle iron up underneath here, so the bucket lip comes into here and that'll hold it on there, and then you put the bolt down through there. Now this thing is supposed to be rated at 2,000 pounds. Our round bales are not even close to that. The main thing that I will be concerned with is if the bucket will hold up to that weight, because it's really all right there in the center of the bucket. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the John Deere. I'm gonna bring it up here. We're gonna go ahead and drill that hole, get it mounted, and test it out. Get back with you guys in a minute. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead and mark the hole here. It's got to be pretty close because you want those shoes here to be on as far as possible onto the bucket. So I'm just going to mark this and get the center point and then drill a couple holes. Alright, I'm going to hit this with the punch. It just won't. So I've got to start another hole here. Might be able to go from the top down. Might be easier. Let's do this. Okay, got her bolted on there. Just looks like the way this is going to work is all the pressure is going to be on this 7/8 grade 8 bolt right here. Now this is a 2-layer bucket. Someone welded, you can see they welded plates in this bucket to reinforce it. So I hope it's sturdy enough to pick a bale up. So that's what we're gonna go try and see if it's worth it. Let's go lift the bale up. Okay, it works okay. It's not the best thing. It doesn't like to push through the bale sideways. It has to be, the bale has to be on end and then push it through, you know how it spirals, so it's just easier on it. But I mean, for what I need it, it's a lot better than using the chain. How long will it last? Don't know. We're definitely going to put it to the test. We got to move 40 bales, and we'll probably start that this week, and I'll bring you guys along for that for sure. So if it's going to fail, it's going to fail during that, because that's a lot of moving. Some of those bales are a little bit heavier than ours. They're not wet, they're just a little bit bigger bales. So biggest problem is the tractor's hydraulics, I don't know if are strong enough. It might be a little low on hydraulic fluid, but doesn't seem like it wants to tip the bale up real good. It'll get it up to a certain point, but it won't just tip it up when it's in the air. I have to set it down a little bit, give it some help. So all in all, you know, not having to go buy a $10,000 used skid steer right now, or another tractor with a better front end loader that has a quick disconnect that I can put like a round bale spear on. So for $3.99, that'll save me a little bit of money for right now. If I can make it work for a while, that'll be great. So, but I don't know. It's to be determined whether it's going to hold up to what we want to do. But we will find that out pretty quick, if it's going to be strong enough. Seems like it is. The bucket's not bending or anything like that. I mean, the piece is pretty stout. It weighs like 110 pounds. So just, you know, that alone is, you know, good solid weight. This sun's pretty bright. So it's like one of the last nice days up here in Ohio. Next week we're looking, actually they're calling for snow. The leaves aren't even all the way off the tree yet, and we're looking for some wet, sloppy rain, mixed snow, really nasty stuff. I'm still trying to plan on getting that roof done on that hay barn. I have to do it. I have to start on it at least so I can get a good foothold on it, because it's got to be ready to put hay in next year. We are going to do more square bales next year than we did this year. We did too many round bales. So luckily we got those other bales gave to us. That'll help us through the winter and take care of us. That's the whole reason why we got that spear, so we can move some of those bales around and get things taken care of. So the next project on the list, I won't do it on this video because I'm just going to make a whole new video of it. I had a company send some jacks to me to put on some of my implements here. This hay rake right here definitely needs one. It's just, I'm using this old high lift jack and it's super dangerous. So I had the company send a just a regular crank jack. I'll weld it on here, clean all this up, and give them a good promo video for sending me that jack. They're not sponsoring the video, but they just reached out to me and said if I had any use for them. And they're the type of jacks that are at the local tractor supplies here, and I use them for everything anyhow, so I'm pretty familiar with the company, and they make a good product. So next video I will put some jacks on that hay rake, and I have a trailer over there that needs one, so I will probably use 2 of the welded jacks. And my camper electric jack is starting to go bad, and I had them send me one of those, so I'll get that repaired. So the next video is just going to be me getting some of the hay equipment fixed up, putting the jacks on there. That way it's a lot safer to deal with. But all in all, for right now, that hay spear is okay. It's not the greatest thing, but it also, the tractor along with it isn't the best, so I'll make it work. All right guys, that's all I got for you. It's kind of a short video, but I will catch you guys on the next one.